Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, don't forget to subscribe and hit that all bell notification. In that way you won't miss any time I publish a new video. All right, so what are we going to be doing today? Teriyaki stir fry vegetables. Okay guys, so we're going to make our teriyaki stir fry vegetables. We are stir frying the vegetables, but we're going to be using our homemade teriyaki sauce in order to do that. So the vegetables we're going to use is 1 yellow bell pepper, some string beans, 1 onion, and about 3 cloves of garlic. We're also going to be using some baby bella mushrooms as well to add to our veggies, or as part of our veggies. All right, so let's get to chopping everything. All right, so we have all our veggies prepped and ready for our stir fry. So let's put our sauce together. Okay, so we're going to be using 2 tablespoons of our homemade teriyaki sauce. I will obviously leave a video in the description showing you how to make your homemade teriyaki sauce, or if you don't want to make a homemade one, you can buy teriyaki sauce in the grocery. So 2 tablespoons of our homemade teriyaki sauce. We're going to use 1 teaspoon of cornstarch, a nice heaping teaspoon of cornstarch, and basically that's our sauce. So we're just going to mix that together nicely and combine everything. All right, so now let's head over to the stove to cook. So here we have our pan heating up, making sure it gets nice and hot. So we're going to add about 2 tablespoons of coconut oil to our pan in order to make our stir fry. We'll start with our aromatics, so we're going to start with some garlic, and we're going to saute this garlic until it becomes nice and fragrant. I just sped up the footage there. All right, so now we're going to add in our, I did decide to add in some ginger, fresh ginger. So of course, we would have wanted to do this before, guys, so that when you added in the garlic, you could have added in the ginger. All right, so we had that was our aromatics, the garlic and the ginger. And now we're just adding the rest of our vegetables. We want to coat everything nicely, make sure and mix everything well together. And you want to cook your veggies until it becomes nice and soft. Once our veggies are nice and soft, then you would add in your sauce. So there, the veggies were soft, so I added in the sauce and stir to combine everything. Make sure everything is well coated with our sauce. And that's basically it, guys. If you want to top this with some chive or spring onions, you can. I did not have any at this point, so I did not add that, but that would be a nice addition to it. But yeah, basically that's it. So I hope you enjoyed this simple, short recipe, and see you in my next video. Bye for now.